Hey friends, who's hungry? Golden cheesy, bite-sized perfection, these bacon and cheese muffins are going to disappear fast. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3 tablespoons of baking powder. Add in 2 cups of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 2 to 3 slices of cooked chopped bacon, or a 1 to 2.5 ounce bag of real bacon bits, along with 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped chives, 1/8 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give everything a good stir to evenly distribute the ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of melted unsalted butter, 1 8-ounce container of sour cream, and half a cup of milk until smooth. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir just until combined. The batter will be thick, but that's exactly what you want. Spoon the batter into a greased mini muffin pan, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until the tops are golden and a toothpick inserted near the center comes out clean. Let them cool just slightly, and then I dare you to eat just one. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.